And we can also darken the eyeglasses. Let's just put in a couple of these darker areas for the bow of the glasses, a couple of darker values for the hair, and that helps it to come along. Now we're not quite there yet. I mean, we do need to also add a darker value to the bottom of her cheek. We don't want it to get too dark. That color I put down was probably just a bit too dark. We want to progressively darken it without getting too dark. We put that value in. Try not to be impatient, just develop that one little bit at a time. Then we can come in and do a little bit more shading around her eyes and just really darken that whole area right around her eyes, just to show, you know, that the glasses frame is casting a shadow there. And then lastly, we'll switch to this other color.